Yeah. And today, in any of this video, I hope the audio part is pretty clear. In case if there is an issue in the audio part, that is also going to be fine. That is also going to be fixed sooner or later. One of the way is to ensure the audio part, what all that is going to be said is going to be shifted in terms of the text, so that you can even hear the audio and you can even see the part of a text. Now, one of the point for making the video is that as far as the career part is to be noted, that is regarding the degree part. Degree in mechanical has been obtained, wherein the part that's related to the designs, be it the designs of the gears or lathe or engine or houses, can be made. So some of the topics that are going to be covered here is to make sure, in case if there's any designs that are going to be made, that are also going to be checked here. So some of the designs are going to be put, and along with this simple part of a resume has also been is also going to be covered, and some of the something like a programming languages are also going to be covered. So you can just see here right now, we have the screen part here. I hope you can see that one. Yeah, I hope you can see this part. Yeah, I hope you can see this right now. So as far as the resume part is to be noted, a degree in mechanical has been obtained. So this is just an overview of the report of the you also call it as a career report. So in case if they would prefer, you can obviously contact, or you can even contact the sites. Some of the projects have been made which is related to the design and the fabrication of a wheel, and another one is going to be the design of a CNC 825 spindle. So you can discuss these things, just an overview of things, and how many softwares are being known here. You have the Creo, C programming, AutoCAD, Autodesk, Fusion 360, Autodesk Inventor, ANSYS, and many more. So many other things have been obtained. So here one of the site has also been made to ensure, in case if you would prefer to contact, we have a contact here. You can prefer to contact in case if you want to send here. In case if you look for any of the queries or some sort of some things, you can definitely contact here. And regarding the 3D models, you can access, or access in the sense you can go through or check some of the 3D models that are going to be put here. You can just check the site here. This is the one of the site that has been provided. I hope the audio part is pretty clear, and the video part is also pretty clear. Just make sure the video part is also pretty clear. Yeah. So along with this, we have the designs. along with this, we have the part of designs. To You can get a lot of designs. As far as the CAD part is to be noted, we can definitely get a lot of designs. A lot of designs can be made, but some few designs are enough to convey the message, saying that any of the designs at a major scale can be made with some of the few of the designs. In the sense, some two designs or three designs, or perhaps some few designs are enough to convey the message, which uses a major of the operations or the major of the tools. So one of the designs that is going to be mentioned is the design of the truck, a simple outer design of the truck. And another design we have is the design of a huge layout in the sense, a pretty huge layout, which you're going to see soon. And a custom designed, all of them are custom designed. One more, a very high-end design, that these few of the designs are enough to get into major of the designs, say in the sense, in case if you are looking for any lancer, or any something like Upwork or any of the task, these few designs are enough based on the sources. Anyway, so many designs have also been made, and which have also been covered in one of the videos. If you just go through a detailed video in the sense, one more video is going to come of individual designs. Right now, one of the design has been the video part of the design has already been uploaded. In case if you want to access, you can access from the sites, but just an overview of some of the designs that have been made. One of the first part of the design, that is the truck design. You can just go through the designs if you prefer. So we have one simple truck here design that has been provided with wheels and the front part and the trailer as well. So there are plenty of designs are there. If we just check it, actually there are, see, it has also been provided with lightings. See, this is just an image part. Yeah, I can just go through here. This is that part. So it has also been put to the part of ANSYS for testing, and some of the report has also been, this is the part of the meshing that has been made, in case if you have to go through. This is the meshing, this is some of the testing part, this is the deformation, some of the testing. So it is just an overview of the design. Though in case if you want to access or go through any of the design, you can obviously check in the it is possible to check in the Upwork or in the Lancer or in any of the places, or if you it is possible to check in the any of the sites, any of the sites that has been provided. One more part we are going to cover soon. So the second part of the design, that is a pretty huge layout, is there. If the design is going to be shown, it is still in the progress of it's a pretty huge layout in the sense, The design has nearly more than 3 buildings. I hope a person might be aware of a layout, how a layout might be there, wherein a number of buildings and uh, an entrance part and a huge ground and place meant for area part and a place meant for parking of the cars and a labor house and park, one more park wherein that's meant for only trees and some sort of things, and one little bit of some forest and a warehouse and a plenty lot of things. Those who would be in the in a layout, they would be pretty aware of it. So just an overview, though in this video you can see only it's still on the verge of it's on the process, but here you can see it may appear as a single piece. Yeah. It may appear as a single piece, but if you just zoom through it and have an overview, you can find a lot of things which you're going to see now. So here it may appear as a single plate or some sort of what plate it may appear, but if you just check it, we have sort of a, this is the exit part. Here we have the exit part, though it may appear as a single house, but you can find out that a proper window has been provided. Window, each and every part the window has been provided proper as a compound, as a fencing or a balcony. You use the word called balcony has been provided, and each and every door with a door knobs and other things are going to be provided. It holds true even for this case. This is a pretty huge building, pretty huge. It has its entrance here, and it has the it encompasses more than 40 nearly 40 houses, very huge flats. The right word is going to be flats. So it is a if you just check this, you can find huge windows. These are huge windows. This is the balcony that is going to be provided, an open-end balcony, and a part of lightings are going to be provided, which you can check it afterwards. So here on the right side of this, a pool is going to be provided, a swimming pool is going to be provided, wherein in the whole pool a DJ party, this is what you call it as a pool party is being provided, wherein the pool is surrounded with excellent amount of pool lights, with the pool lamps and the pool lights, and this is actually a pool. When the whole part is going to be completed, the whole video might be possibly be put. Here you have a set of a forest area, wherein that's meant for only for walking and some things, and here this is a car park, which is meant for, this is the entrance part of the car park, and this is the exit part of the car park. It has number of floors, wherein you can keep the cars, as it's a huge apartment. Number of cars will be there, so huge in the sense more than 4 to 5 floor of the car park has been provided. And here we have a set of some labor house, something like a labor house or something, where the whole house or some the whole layout is going to be looked by set of labors. So this is labor house, and here if you just check, this is a simple park that is meant for walking and other purpose. We have the fencing here, and actually you will have some place that is meant to sit here. When it's fully over, you can just go through it, but just an overview. Here this is a guard's house. This is a guard's house wherein the whole layout is going to be looked by the guards, and this is the entrance part. So you have the guard's house very close to the entrance part, and this is going to be the something like a pool, the entrance pool. When the vehicle enters, the vehicle needs to pass on this part. This is a central pool that is being provided, and along with this, this is a set of warehouses. The whole any of the items that are going to be purchased can be purchased from any of these warehouses. This is a something like a storage house. This is a warehouse or something like a big market. This is a part of a big market. Now this is going to be the a ground that is meant for fencing. This is a fencing which is still in progress. You still have to get it done. It is still being done. It may take some more period to get it done, but just an overview. So you can find that here some sort of something is there. This is the ground part. What line you see, that is something, the ground part. Things are that which are going to be covered. One more part of a video is going to be made, and it's going to be covered in one of the upcoming videos. So the a big layout that has been shown, it has more than 2k, I hope more than 6k existing. Right now it has more than 6k parts. So when the whole design is going to be over, it would have a pretty huge amount of parts, which in case if it is going to be done soon, then it is going to be put. I hope it is going to be put. And the third part of the design is going to be something like a warehouse or some sort of a design wherein it looks very much like a usual design. What you see, what you look in any of the places, it looks very much like a existing design. So the design that has been provided here, it has a surface wherein the tiles, the how the usual appearance or whatever the sort of things is, it's going to look like, wherein the tiles will be there, the cracks will be there. You can just have a view of it. In case if you're looking for any sort of movies or any sort of or a studio basis, this would be one of the best of the things. So you can just have a view. Almost the whole part of the design is over. You can just have a view of it. So here, if you just go through, the here the tiles, here you find the things which are very much like a this is all the tilted and tilted stuff. So this is all the tilted stuff. How usually if you just go through a place, it looks very much like what you usually see in a place which is already in something like a studio basis, a studio which is made. These are all bricks and other things. This is a paint boxes. This is a set of paint boxes. Some are there, some are gone here and there. And this is a set of tiles or some a part that has been out of the way. And this is a cupboard. On the cupboard you can find some of the paper that has been stitched, and some of the paper that is kept on the top of the cupboard. One of the cupboard is partially open. One of the cupboard you can find is partially open, and here you can find a chair which is tarnished. And this is the table wherein some of the bricks have been there, and some papers were there, some cardboards and some other things. You can see all these things. Here you find some set of what you call the casings, something like photos or casings, wherein some paintings have been made, this and stuff. And on this side you'll find some rocks here and some set of wooden pieces, some set of wooden pieces, some set of iron bars. You have wooden pieces here, and you have a tire which is tarnished, and set of wooden pieces that have been there, plenty of wooden pieces that have been kept as it is. And here you find a number of cardboards, and these are all the set of rail bars and some things. So if you just go through on the other side, we can find a lot of a set of warehouse packets, which they usually keep in the way of racks, and a number of tires parts. So here as well, if you just go through, you can find some few more pipes are there, some few more pipes have been kept here and stuff. That's the point. So the whole of the warehouse is having some cracks, it is tarnished, just to make sure it is in the part of what you call it as a studio basis, or in case if you look it for any of the cinema or any of the things wherein you require some sort of a this sort of a view. And the outer part is already here. You can find some of the places where they have kept some of the things here, and it has got a lot of marks here and there. On the upper part you can find this is the whole it's a something like a ceramic like a thing, wherein so many pieces have been worn out or tarnished. So just an overview. So this is one part, and if you have to get on the other side we have the whole of the inner part. Here we have lightings. Some of the lightings are in phase. Here some of the tube lights have been tarnished, some are in phase, some are out of the way, some are hanging. This is the inner part and stuff. So this is just an overview. So that is just an overview of how the design, which looks very much like what you see in any of the places, in case there is a need of any of such sort of designs, such design can be made. As there is a need to keep traveling from one place to another on account of shifting for viewing some places, or shifting to some other houses, and whatever for some cases. In case if there is any if they look for some sort of a designs, be it related to the design of a gear, a spur gear, a helical gear, the design of any of the bolts, nuts, shaft, spark plug, and engine. We have V12 engine as well, and the design of the whole body of any of the car, or perhaps the whole truck. The outer body of the whole truck has the design has been put. And a still higher design, that is in case if there is a need of design that is related to something like a gate design, a compound design, a house design, or perhaps a building design, or pretty huge design that is called as a layout design, which encompasses more than 5 to 6 floor or 10 to 15 floor, with parks, car parking, and a set of warehouse, big market design, or a design of a garden, or the whole a stadium design, they can also be made. And along with that, in case if they look for something which looks very much like what you usually see, wherein the other part of the design has been shown here. In case if they look for some sort of a designs which looks very much like what you usually see in the everyday life, then it is feasible to design that as well. The point is, some few of the designs are enough to convey the message, saying that it is possible to get a major part of the designs, be it related to any of the part of a designs, and the part of rendering. The part of rendering can also be made. A very high-end rendering is also going to be made. Some of the designs and the render parts have already been put in the few of the sites. So in case if there is a need to know more about any of the design in terms of the CAD models, be it the 2D drawings, be it the 3D models, or be it the bill of the materials, or be it the renders, any of the such sort of things, it is possible and feasible to get the designs done. So that is one of the part. And in case if you are looking for more sort of designs, if designs, if you already have any 2D designs or any of the sort of designs, it is possible to contact to major of the places. So you can even comment here, or you can even send to any of the sites which have been covered in the video, or you can check any of the upcoming videos wherein you will get major reports regarding the designs that are going to be made. So that is just an overview. Still a lot of things are going to be covered. So the part that the major part is that it is possible and feasible to get major of the designs as it's already built up. So major part of the designs can be made, which you are going to cover in one of the upcoming videos. And looking for more sort of designs related to CADs, be it the 3D design, or and the design which encompasses the renderings and the bill of materials. So that's about the today's part. We are going to cover one more video. Lot of videos are going to come. The length of the video is sufficiently huge, so on some basis we are going to cover some other parts in one of the upcoming videos. So till that period, have fun. Yeah.